morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's begin our week working with place value addition and subtraction to 1 million on page 3. Page 3. We're gonna review because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna refresh the knowledge we have about this topic. Tens and ones. Let's begin with tens and ones. We have to write the missing numbers. We have to write the tens and the ones of 27. And also we have 27 illustrated as tens and ones blocks. Here, this is one block of how many, class? How many do you think have this block? This one. How many? Is divided into 20. This block has 20. Well, let's count. Let's count this. Has 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 5, 6,
10.
7, 8,
10.
9, and 10. So it's a 10 base block because it is divided into 10 pieces. So this block has represent 10 units. And this other has other 10s. So the number, if you remember the place value chart, let me draw the place value chart here. If you remember the place value chart, we have ones, tens, ones and tens. If we write 27 in the table of a place value, we have to write it like this, right? So according to this place value chart, how many tens are in 27? How many tens are in 27? Look at the table.
7.
How many tens? 10 is a group of 10 ones. Okay? 10. A group of 10 ones. 10 is a group of 10 ones. In 27, how many groups of 10s do we have? How many groups of 10? 20 groups of 10.
Yes.
If I have 20 groups of 10, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You say 20, right? 20, you said. And remember that each of this group has 10 units. See, how many do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, you said in 27 there are 20 tens. So it means that I have here 10 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 10, 20 times, something like this. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Those are 20 tens. Question. 27 has 20 tens?
No.
No, right? It doesn't have 20 tens. Remember that a 10 is a group of 10 ones. So how many ones are in one block? 10. 10 ones are in one block. And 27 has two groups of 10. Or if you have 20 counters, 27 objects, with 27 objects, you can make only two groups of 10. No more, two groups of 10. So this is too many and it's not correct. Question again, how many tens are in 27?
Two groups.
Two groups. This is one and this is another. Because 10 plus 10 equals 20, which is this number, 2 tens. And how many ones? How many ones? Diego, how many ones? Yes, Diego?
Ten.
10 ones. Diego, what happened with your camera?
I enter with the computer and I have bought the camera with the computer.
Okay. So, there are no 10 ones. My question was, 27 has 2 tens. Okay. And how many ones are in 27? How many? Adriana?
Yes.
How many ones are in 27?
10.
Sure. 10 ones. Majo, how many ones are in 27? 7 ones.
Seven ones because you write it there.
Yeah, yes, exactly. We already wrote the tens. There are 2 tens in 27. So what do we miss to write? What do we miss are the ones. So the ones are this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The blocks are isolated one by one. So 7. In 27, there are 2 tens and 7 ones. So again, if we look at this table, we see, we separate the numbers and we write it in the correct value according to its value. 27, 7 goes in the ones and 2 goes in the tens. Okay? Now here, 93. How many tens are in 93? Melanie? How many tens are in 93?
In 93.
Yes. In 93. 9, exactly. 9. Jose Sebastian, how many ones are in 93?
Yeah.
How many ones are in 93?
What?
Sorry, but what are you doing? You are not in class. What are you doing? Ivana, how many ones are in 93?
Three.
3, exactly. The 10 blocks are this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, which is this number, 9 tens. And the ones, this one, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now regroup hundreds as tens. As tens. If you go to the grocery store and you want to buy a snack, you have a you want to buy a soda. Let's say that you want to buy a soda. So you have 100 lempira. A bill, 100 lempira bill. Okay? That's what you have. And the person or the woman at the grocery store have to give you change. Have to give you change. So says regroup. And so says regroup, write the missing number. First of all, we need to know how many tens are in 100. We know that 10 is a group of 10 ones. So in 110, there are 10 ones. Now, but what about 100? 100. A group. A group of 10 what, class? What do you think? What do you think, Victor? Victor, what are you doing?
Doing the page, miss.
But look, you have to write just this for numbers. That's it. It's not a lot.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. You are working in the rest of the page. Okay. So yes. 100, 800 is a group of 10 tens. A group of 10 tens. So
Where's your microphone?
So I have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 blocks of tens, and this is 100. So 100 is represented by a block like this. This is 100. Okay? This is 100. And each of these bars represent 10 ones. each of these. So if we count by tens, we got 100. So 100 is a group of 10 tens. This is what it means. 10 grupos de 10. That's what it means. So let's write this one. 500 for tens. We have to write this as tens. If in 100 there are 10 tens, how many tens are in 500, class? Jose Enrique? How many tens are in 500?
15 tens.
50 tens, okay, yes. Because in 100, there are 10. In 2, 20. In 3, 40. In 500, 50 tens. Aha, excellent. But to these, we have to include these other 4 tens. So in 504 tens, there are how many tens?
54.
54, exactly. Because we have to regroup 500 into tens equals 50. And also we have to add the 4 tens that we have there. Now in the next one, Santiago, 800 in tens. How many tens are in 800?
89.
But my question was, how many tens are in 800? It's 80. And if we include the 9 tens that appeared in the book, so we have 89 tens. Excellent, Santiago. Okay, now we continue with addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Hazel, the first addition, 27 plus 34. 7 plus 4. Hazel. Seven plus 4. Hazel. The next one is for Iris Camila. And the next one for Gabriel. Iris, this one. Do it in the book, and then you give me the answer. This is Gabriel. Hazel, let's do the first one.
61.
61, the first one. 7 plus 4, Hazel. Hazel, your microphone.
61.
But how much is 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4? But your brother doesn't have to help you. Sorry, but your brother doesn't have to help you. You can count by yourself. 11, so we write the 1 and regroup the 10. See? 3 plus 2 plus 1?
6.
6. So we have 61. Thank you. Next one, it is 95 plus 46. It is, microphone please.
1.
Microphone, 5 plus 6.
11.
11. So we write the ones and regroup the tens. 9 plus 1 plus 4.
The 9 is 10. And 10
Plus 4.
9 is a 0. And the 4
The answer is 41.
41. But if you say that 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 4,
And the 4 is 4.
yeah, but 10 plus 4. Listen to me and do the addition. 10 plus 4.
14.
14, exactly. So, because we don't have another digit here, we don't have to regroup. We have to write the 14. So the answer is 141. Okay, thank you. Gabriel, subtraction. 84 minus 27. Gabriel, microphone. Okay, but I can't see you, Gabriel. Ah, here, I found you. 84 minus 27. Gabriel, 84 minus 7. 4 minus 7. Is it possible? Gabriel? Gabriel, is it possible? 4 minus 7. Okay, Gabriel, show me your hands. I need to see 4 fingers. See, you have to lift them higher. Su cámara está muy arriba. Casi no lo veo. Okay, to those 4 fingers, a esos 4 dedos, quítele 7. Is it possible? Tiene 4. You have only 4. So you're going to subtract 7. Is that possible? Gabriel? Show me your finger. Gabriel, ¿con qué dispositivo trabaja? ¿Con una laptop? Ok,
Yes.
bájela un poquito, porque usted se ve de aquí, ¿ve? Eso. Ok, show me your 4 fingers. Okay, now to these 4 fingers, you have to subtract 7. Cuente. 1, 2. Pero show me your fingers. Muéstreme esa magia que usted hace. No, Gabriel. Gabriel, you only have 4. So show my finger. Look my fingers. I have 4 fingers. Le quito 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿De dónde sigo quitando? I don't have more. 4 times 7 is not 3. Because 4 is less than 7. No, a 4 no le puedo quitar 7. Porque 4 es menor que 7. So that's not possible. So what do we have to do? We need to regroup. We regroup 110, which is we have here 110 into 10 ones. That's what we do. We regroup. So here we cross out the 8, and now the 8 becomes a 7, and the 14 and the 4 becomes a 14. Why a 14? Because 110 now is 10 ones. Un 10 se convirtió en 10 ones. Esos 10 ones, I am going to put them together with the number 4. So how many do I have now? I have 14. Now, Gabriel, 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7, Gabriel.
Exacto, o sea, estuvo casi 24, bro.
14 minus 7. Yes, Gabriel?
Six.
No, 7. 7. And 7 minus 2?
5.
5. So the answer is 57. You might complete your book because then I need pictures in Schoology. Now, I know that it's late, but I have something else. We have to complete the next page. Let's do it quickly. Here, we have a yellow box with some terms. Visualize each. Write a review word with a check, which are the first 5 terms on the word line from the greatest to the least place value. What is the greatest? The greatest value there, yes. With a check. But actually, the greatest is 10,000.
Because it's more than 100.
Yes, 10,000. 1,000 is more than 100. Copy quickly. Then, what do we have? 1,000.
Then we have 100.
Then we have 100. You have to copy because then I need pictures in Schoology. Hundreds. Then I have tens. And finally, the least is ones. Ones, okay? Now, here, read the definition and which word does it describes. To replace a number with another number that tells about how many or how much. That is round. A way to write numbers by showing the value of each digit. This is expanded form. We're gonna see this, how to write an expanded form number in a next class. A number close to an exact amount. Estimate. You have to be copying this. Class is gonna finish in 2 minutes. So you better write down. Each group of 3 digits separated by commas in a multi-digit number. A period. And the last one, a way to write numbers by using the digits 0 to 9, which is digit having a place value. So this is a standard form. There you have standard form. Standard form. Standard form. The next class is not with me, but if you complete the 2 pages, you can dismiss the class.
Miss,
Yes,
what is the next class?
the next class you have.
Español.
Okay, Español. Let me see how many
Miss.
students I do have. Well, I
Bye,
have.
Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye. If you complete the page, you can dismiss the class.
Bye,
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, I love you. Bye, Miss.
Bye. See you later.
Miss.
Excellent job.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye,
Get-
Miss.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.